Welcome to this lesson on energy stores. In this presentation, we will explore the different types of energy stores, how energy is transferred, and where energy can be stored in real-life systems. Energy is simply the ability to do work. This means it is what allows things to happen or change. Energy can exist in many forms, and it can move from one form to another or from one object to another. An energy store is where energy is held. It is not a physical object, but a way to describe where energy is located in a system. There are 8 main energy stores. These include thermal, kinetic, gravitational potential, elastic potential, chemical, magnetic, electrostatic, and nuclear. Let's take a look at this energy individually. Number 1. Thermal energy. Thermal energy is stored in a substance because of its temperature. The hotter the object, the more thermal energy it stores. Number 2. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is stored in objects that are moving. The faster and heavier the object, the more kinetic energy it stores. Next is gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is stored in an object that has been lifted above the ground. The higher it is, the more energy it stores. Number 4. Elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy is stored when materials like springs or rubber bands are stretched or compressed. Number 5 is chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in substances like food, fuel, or batteries. It is released when these substances react. Magnetic energy is stored when magnets interact. This store exists between attracting or repelling poles. Electrostatic energy is stored in objects that are electrically charged. It is strongest when opposite charges are far apart or like charges are close together. Lastly, nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is stored in the nucleus of atoms. It is released through nuclear fission or fusion. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed but can be transformed from one form to another. This means that the total amount of energy in a system stays the same. It can only move between stores, but it cannot be created or destroyed. Energy moves from one store to another by 4 methods. These are mechanical work, electrical transfer, heating, and radiation. In an electric kettle, energy is transferred from the mains electricity to the water by heating. The energy moves from the electrical store to the thermal store. At the top of a roller coaster, the car has maximum gravitational potential energy and no kinetic energy. As the car descends, its gravitational potential energy decreases while kinetic energy increases. At the bottom of the hill, the gravitational energy is at its lowest. The kinetic energy is now at its highest. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause if you need more time. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.